Hello. Um, I will be giving a demo of what I've built at this hackathon and or for the hackathon, and what I've built is basically subscriptions slash recurring payments on soroban. So there's two components. There's a smart contract, which you can see here, and there's a backend system. Uh, Now, the smart contract is responsible for basically charging the shopper. So imagine you have a merchant, the merchant wants to sell us something using a subscription, and the shopper wants to pay you with Stellar. What the shopper can do is uh, they can call this function create mandate and specify a set interval. Uh, and so let's say you specify 4 seconds. This means that you're giving this contract permission to spend your money every 4 seconds. And then the merchant slash or my backend system in this case can call this other function charge mandate to actually kind of spend that money. So basically do the subscription payment. So how it works is it uses an API, or I made an API for it. So the merchant would create a response, the merchant would make a request to a payments endpoint. They would specify an amount. So in this case, I think this is 10 XLM. You specify the assets, and here it can be native for XLM, or it can also be the symbol. So for example, USDC and then issuer for a classic asset, and then it can also be like a hex, or sorry, not a hex, like a C contract ID or contract token ID in case of soroban only tokens. The merchant specifies a charge interval. So for demo purposes, I put 4 seconds, and then a description. They make a request, and then they receive a redirect URL. Now this URL, the merchant should send the shopper to this URL. And then the shopper will see the description, and then you will pay 10 XLM every 4 seconds. That's nice. I don't know what that happens. Okay, confirm. Um, so the shopper will see the details. What is this for? Okay, review. So we're calling this function create, or we're signing for this function to call this function create mandate, and under the hood we're approving the contract to spend their money. So sign transaction, and then we should see a GIF telling us that we spent money, I guess. And then if we check this contract, you see that we call this function create mandate, and then there's a worker in the backend that every 4 seconds should be charging us. Yes, so there's one, and then if we click on this, we'll see that 10 XLM was moved from our account, and it was given to this merchant account. If we reload again, we should see another one, and it'll keep going forever since we specified 4 seconds. Yeah, this is what I've built basically, and to actually make this a product, you want to kind of make this like a more of a payments platform. So whenever we charge, we would send the merchant a webhook and things like that. So yeah, thanks for watching. That's it.